July dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll show you how you can do this viral add yours Instagram chain story right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to go to your Instagram app and then you have to go to your search bar and search for Ali and John YTT. So it's this account right here, it's my account. So you have to go to my account because here you will find the add yours sticker. Once you are here, you have to go to July add yours at highlights. So you have to go right here, click here, and then you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So it's the second one, as you can see. Once you're here, you have to click on the add yours button. Then from here you have to add your photos, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then at the end of the video I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first let me do the story and afterwards I will show you the tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose some photos from July. This is my first photo, and then to add your second photo you have to make this photo smaller by using your two fingers, and then to add your second or third photo you have to click on stickers from the top of the screen here, then scroll down and then click on this plus icon here, and there you'll find your photos from your gallery and you can add your second or third photo, how many photos you want, but I will leave it just like this. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and once you are happy with your story, you have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you have to go once again on my Instagram account, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. So here. And you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So click on here if you have trouble by clicking on the add yours button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and you can comment down below your questions if you have some. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.